Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 6D from chapter Solving Problems Based on Quadratic Equations. So coming to question number 4. The ages of two sisters is 11 years and 14 years. In how many years time will the product of their ages be 304? Now this is a very easy sum, okay? The ages of two sisters is 11 and 14 years. Now is bola hai, so it is the present age, okay? So present age of both the sisters is 11 years and 14 years respectively, okay? So this one is younger, this one is elder, ठीक है? Now, so from this, what can you say about the difference in their ages? She is 11, she is 14. So difference in the ages, 14 minus 11 is 3. Okay. Now this is the important part that we'll use in the equation. Okay. So that is important. It will help us in forming the equation also. In how many years time will the product of their ages be 304? Now they have not asked the ages, they have asked in how many years time, that is after how many years will the product of their ages be 304. So you are taking the product of their ages, but after how many years we don't know. So let's say after n years. Okay, after n years. Now, what will be their ages? We don't know, because after how many years we don't know. So, let's say that the age of younger sister after n years is x. Okay. What will be the age of the elder sister? Now, difference in their ages is how much? It is 3 years. So, it is going to remain the same only throughout. Okay. So if younger sister becomes 20, what will be the age of the elder sister? It will be 20 plus 3. Right? Difference in age तो same ही रहेगा throughout the life. So age of elder sister will be x plus 3 years. Right? Okay. So now, in how many years time will the product of their ages be 304? So we have assumed after n years their ages will be so and so, and the product of their ages will be equal to 304. So x into x plus 3 is equal to 304 after n years. Okay, so now we'll get a quadratic equation. X square plus 3x minus 304 is equal to 0. Okay. On solving this, we'll get the value of x. Okay. So we will get the age of the younger sister. We can also find the age of the elder sister. Okay. Just add 3. Now, they have not asked the ages over here. They have asked in how many years time will the product of their ages be 304. That is after how many years. So अभी age 11 है. After n years, what will be the age of the younger sister? So x मिल जाएगा. Let's say we got x as 20. Just assume. Okay, let's say 20 मिल रहा है. Now from the gap you can easily say what is the gap? 20 minus 11, 9 years. So you can easily find the number of years by finding the age. Okay. So over here they have not asked age. So don't stop after finding x and x plus 3. नहीं. X plus 3 तो यहाँ पे required भी नहीं है. But we are supposed to find after how many years will the product of their ages be 304. ओके, सो x एंड x प्लस 3 दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 304 मिल रहा है. सो वो कब मिलेगा? आफ्टर हाउ मेनी ईयर्स. ओके, सो x का वैल्यू जो मिलेगा -11 विल गिव यू द नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स. ऑल राइट, सो लेट अस नाउ राइट डाउन द गिवन इन प्रॉपर मैनर एंड स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग. So there are a few statements that you need to write down. Now the present ages of younger sister and elder sister is 11 and 14 years respectively. Now the age gap is how much? 14 minus 11, that is 3 years. Okay, so the elder sister is 3 years elder to the younger one. Now after n years, the ages we have assumed to be x and x plus 3. Younger sister ka age will be x years and elder one will be x plus 3. You can also take the other way around, that is if elder sister is x, younger sister will be x minus 3. Okay, so be very careful with the signs. Now coming to the condition part, after n years, the product of their ages is 304. So after n years, x into x plus 3, their age is x and x plus 3. What is the age? We don't know. So x and x plus 3, product is equal to 304. Now we need to solve this. So we'll get a quadratic equation. So x square plus 3x minus 304 is equal to 0. So sum and product. Sum is plus 3, product is minus 304. Product is negative, it means one factor is positive, other is negative. Sum is positive, so greater factor is positive and smaller factor is negative. Okay, subtract karenge. Greater minus smaller. Now factors of 304. So we'll get 2 15s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are and 2 6s are. 2 and 152 ka difference will not give you 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 and 76 ka difference will not give you 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 and 38 ka difference will not give you 3. 2 19s are. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 and 19. Yes. So 16 and 19 ka difference will give you 3. Okay. 16 minus 19 or 19 minus 16? 19 minus 16. Okay. So difference will give you plus 3. Multiplication will give you 304. Okay. So 16 into 19. Alright. So splitting the middle term, 19x minus 16x minus 304 is equal to 0. Taking x common, x plus 19 minus 16 into x plus 19. Signs will change when you take minus outside. This becomes positive, this becomes positive. Your 16 went out, so x is left. 16 into how much gives 304? We just found the factor, 16 into 19. Okay, so x plus 19 into x minus 16 is equal to 0. So we'll get, so therefore x plus 19 is equal to 0 or x minus 16 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 19 or x is equal to 16. Age cannot be negative. So write down x is not equal to minus 19 because age cannot be negative. So therefore x is equal to 16. This is the age of younger sister. So age of younger sister after n years, okay, it will be 16 years. What is the present age? Present age of younger sister is 11. So present age of younger sister is 11 years. You can easily see the difference. 16 minus 11, that is 5 years. After 5 years, the younger sister will be 16 years old. So n is equal to age after n years minus present age, that is equal to 5 years. Okay, so after 5 years, the product of the ages will be 304. So don't forget this part. Okay, box the answer, don't forget the unit, alright, years, and write down the final statement. Let's read the next question. Question number 5. 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Find their present ages. Now over here there is a man and his son, and their ages is given to us and the relation between the ages. So first one is 1 year ago. So 1 year ago, age of man and age of son. Which one to take? X. A man was 8 times as old as his son. The age of man is dependent on the son according to condition. Okay, so age of man is something times the age of the son. Man ka age is 8 times the age of the son. So let's say that son ka age is x. So let's say the age of son 1 year ago was x years. What will be the age of the man? 8 times as old as his son. So if age of son is x years, his age will become 8x. 8 into x will give 8x. So age of man will be 8 into x. Right? Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Now that is present. The age of man. Now what will be the age of man now? This was the age 1 year ago. So he will become 1 year older now. So 8x plus 1 will be the age. Right? What will be son's age? He will also turn 1 year older. So x plus 1. Right? So ये 1 year पहले का ages है. So अभी का ages क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 8x plus 1 and x plus 1. Now apply the condition. Okay. So now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. So now man's age is equal to square of the son's age. What is the age of man now? 8x plus 1. Square of the son's age. अभी का age क्या है? It is x plus 1. So square of that whole thing का square. Okay, don't take x square plus 1 square. No, whole thing का square. Okay, you just need to solve this. So you will get 8x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Right? Using the formula a plus b the whole square. Just solve. On solving you will get the value of x. We need to find their present ages. So present ages is x plus 1, 8x plus 1 and x plus 1. Once you get x, you can easily find the present ages. So let us now write on the given in proper manner and start solving. So 1 year ago, we have assumed the son's age to be x years and man's age will be 8x years. Okay. So presently, now the ages are going to increase because this was the age 1 year ago. So now it will increase by 1 year. So you will add 1. Previously, that is 1 year ago, the age of son was x. So now it will become x plus 1. Man's age was 8x. So now it will become 8x plus 1. Okay. Now coming to the condition part. Now we'll apply the condition to the present ages. So now his age is equal to square of his son's age. So man's age now is equal to square of the son's age. So x plus 1 the whole ka square. Okay, don't take x square plus 1 square. That is wrong. This is the age, so the whole age ka square. Okay. Now solving this. So 8x plus 1 is equal to a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 8x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. 1 will get cancelled. Okay. So we'll get 8x is equal to x square plus 2x. So x square minus 6x, right? 2x minus 8x minus 6x is equal to 0. Switch the sides. X square minus 6x is equal to 0. Over here we can take x common, so x into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Either of the two has to be 0 for the answer to become 0. So can x be 0? If x becomes 0, man's age will also become 0. 8 into 0. So this is not possible. Therefore x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is, we will get x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 years. Okay. Now this was the age 1 year ago. We need to find the present ages. What are the present ages? X plus 1 and 8x plus 1. So present ages of man is equal to 8x plus 1. That is equal to 8 into 6 plus 1. That will give me 49. Okay, 8 6 are 48 plus 1. Years, don't forget the unit. Son's age will be x plus 1. So that will be 6 plus 1, that is 7 years. Okay. So we found the present ages of man and his son. So write down the final statement. The present ages of man and son, or son and man, is 7 years and 49 years respectively. Okay. So don't forget the unit, box the answer. Coming to next question, question number 6. The age of a father is twice the square of the age of his son. 8 years hence, the age of the father will be 4 years more than 3 times the age of the son. Find their present ages. Now over here, again the ages of father and son is considered. The age of father is twice the square of the age of his son. Over here it is not given when. So when it is not given, it will be the present age. Okay, because it is given is. So present age. The age of father is twice the square of the age of his son. So age of father is dependent on the age of the son. So the one that is dependent we'll find later. The one that is independent we'll assume to be x. Okay. So age of father is means is equal to twice the square of the age of his son. Twice the square of the age of his son. So son's age ka square. Okay. So if you assume the age of son to be x, father's age will be 2x square. Okay. So present age of father and son. Son we'll assume to be x years. So father's age will be twice the square of the age of the son. So twice x square. So 2x square. Okay. So 2x square years. 8 years hence means 8 years later, after. Okay. So 8 years hence, the age of the father will be 4 years more than 3 times the age of the son. Now this will be easy. 8 years hence means after 8 years. So the ages that we got now, 8 years बढ़ जाएगा. So we'll add 8 years after 8 years. What will be the age of father and son? Presently 2x square है, so it will become 2x square plus 8. Okay. And son's age will be x plus 8. Okay. Now we'll apply the condition. So first find their ages and then apply the condition. So the age of father will be, that is equal to 4 years more. 4 years more means plus 4 years. So 4 years more than 3 times the age of the son. Than 3 times the age of the son. I'll repeat, the age of father will be means is equal to 4 years more. More means plus. If they told less, then it would be minus. So 4 years more than 3 times the age of the sun. So 3 times into age of the sun. So 8 years hence, ages क्या है? Father's age is 2x square plus 8. 3 into son's age is x plus 8 plus 4. Solve this and you will get the value of x. So we need to find their present ages. Once you get x, son's age you got. Father's age will be 2x square. Okay, so we just need to solve the quadratic equation. So let us now write down the given in proper manner and start solving. So we have assumed the present age of son to be x years. So the present age of father will be twice the square of son's age. So twice x square, that is 2x square years. Okay, so one that is dependent, okay, उसको बाद में consider करेंगे. One that is independent, assume it to be x. Okay, now 8 years later, the ages will increase by 8 years. So you will add 8 to present ages. Present age of son is x, so 8 years later it will become x plus 8. Present age of father is 2x square, so 8 years later it will become 2x square plus 8. Okay, now apply the condition 8 years hence the age of father is this, 8 years hence will be means is equal to 4 more, 4 plus 4 than 3 times the age of the sun. So 3 into age of the sun. Okay, now we'll solve this. So 2x square plus 8 is equal to 3x plus 3 8s are 24 plus 4. So we'll get 2x square plus 8 is equal to 3x plus 28. Shifting everything in LHS, 2x square minus 3x and 8 minus 28, that will give minus 20. Okay, so we got a quadratic equation now. Sum is minus 3. Product is 2 into minus 20, that is minus 40. Okay, product is negative, it means one factor is positive, other is negative. Sum is negative, मतलब greater factor is negative. Okay, now 40 का factors, actually it is 5 and 8. Okay, 5 and 8 का difference will give you 3. So 5 and 8 are the factors. For small numbers you can easily find out. So 2 20s are, 2 and 20 का difference does not give you 3. 2 10s are, so 2 2s are 4, 4 and 10 का difference does not give you 3. 2 5s are, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 and 5. So 8 will be negative and 5 will be positive, because 8 minus 5 will give you plus 3. We need minus 3. So 5 minus 8. So splitting the middle term, 5x and 8x. Okay, so 2x square plus 5x minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. So over here we can take x common, so 2x plus 5. Over here we can take 4 common, minus 4. So minus common liya, 4 common liya, we are left with 4 2s are 8. Okay, signs are going to change. These were negative, this became positive. ठीक है, 4 5s are, over here we get 2x plus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 4. Here we are getting x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Can the age be negative? No. So x is not equal to minus 5 by 2, since age cannot be negative. You have to write down. Okay. So therefore x is equal to 4. Now we need to find their present ages. So we found x. Present age of son is x years. So he is 4 years old. What will be the present age of father? Present age of father will be 2x square. That is 2 into 4 square. Okay, that will give you 32. So I am writing down over here only. You need to write down present age of son is equal to present age of son is equal to x, that is equal to 4 years. Okay, and present age of father is 2x square, that is 2 into 4 square, that is 2 into 16, 32 years. Okay, don't forget to write the unit years. Okay, and box the answer. Don't forget final statement.